come make homemade tortillas with me. We got both our main ingredients from Dollar Tree. The bacon is $3 and the flour is $1.25. Here I'm adding 1 cup of water to a 1/4 cup of that melted bacon fat. You can use butter and it'll just be nice and buttery, but I'm using the bacon fat because I wanted it to taste a little bit different. So we had 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder, and we added that to our dry ingredients. I actually got this recipe from a lady on here. I'll tag her, Salty Cocina, and I've made them before, but I made the recipe wrong, y'all. I got ahead of myself and I thought it was too wet, so I actually added more flour and a little bit more water, not enough water. So unfortunately our tortillas are going to be a little dry, but they're still going to taste good and I'm still going to eat them. So after this, you're supposed to let it sit wrapped in like cling wrap or a kitchen towel and let it sit for 15 minutes. I didn't do that. Another mistake. But now you divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions, and after you divide it and roll it, you're supposed to let it sit again. I didn't really do that. I just went straight to making it. So some of them sat, but they sat uncovered, and then I eventually covered them. You want to roll your dough as flat and circular as possible. You put the tortilla on a preheated skillet, and when it has bubbles like that, you flip it. Most of mine did not have bubbles, and I gave y'all the only one good shot that I did. So after you flip it the first time, you let it set for about 30 seconds. Then I like to flip again just to make sure for a couple seconds, and then it'll be done. You have your tortillas. Wow, we did it, y'all. We made struggle tortillas, y'all. Bye. Thanks for watching.